Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm showing you guys how to record your desktop screen using OBS Studios. As you can see, I am doing that right now. I am recording. You can see what I'm doing. What you want to first do is open up your browser, go on Google and just search up OBS download. From there, you want to go on this link. I will have a link to this website in the description. It will be the first link, and you want to download whichever one you need. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to download it. And from there, you're just going to follow the download procedure and where you want to download it and all that stuff. Alright, now that you're done with the download, you want to open up OBS. I already have it downloaded since this is what I am using to capture it. From here, you want to click on the scene. You want to click the plus button, and to record your screen, you want to click the capture, display capture, name whatever you want, and click OK. I already have it, so I'm not going to make another. And to record your audio, you just want to do audio input, name it whatever, and create new. If you want to record your game capture, you can go over to video capture devices, same thing, give it a name and create. And if you want to just record yourself on like Chrome or something, like on your browser, you can just do Windows capture. From there, you want to go to your settings. For general, you can change, your language, if you want dark mode or not. You don't really have to change anything here. If you want to stream, you can mess around with this stuff. I'm not going to talk about that. I'm more talking about how to actually record, not stream. And output, I think default is like 2500. You want to change this up to 3000, and change the encoder to hardware, not software. It should be default as software. From here, you want to also change this to MP4. And then once you're done with all that, you can also choose like where you want this to download. For example, like I have a file in OBS recordings, which after all my recordings, that's where it all goes. You just click browse and pick where you want it to go. From there, you can move over to audio, change your sample rate from 44 to 48. Channels, keep it on stereo. For your audio, you click here and you pick which microphone you actually want to use. I'm using my headset right now, so I'm going to keep it on that. And that should be all it from now. You can turn on push to talk or push to mute if you really want to. And for video, you want to change this anything above 30, whatever you have the actual potential to do. And also change these to 1080p. Hotkeys, you can also mess around with that. Choose what button makes you record, what button makes you stops. You don't have to really touch with any of this. You can just manually start and stop. And with the advanced settings, you don't really have to do anything here, as long as you have these three that I just went over: output, audio, and video. From there, you want to click, from there, once you change everything, you want to click the apply. I didn't really change anything, so can't really do anything there. You want to click apply, and then you want to click OK. And then lastly, from there, you can just start recording. For me, since I am already recording, it says stop recording. But yeah, from there, you start recording, and it comes up like this. And then you click stop recording to finish it. Sometimes for your first recording, it might show only half your screen. What you want to do is click from there, and there should be transform. I've already done it, and then from transform, you click full screen, and that should be everything. If you guys are having any problem troubleshooting, I will have troubleshooting links for both desktop and laptop devices down in the description underneath the download links. That is everything, guys. Now you guys know how to record using OBS Studios, and I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.